In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Adam voice in Elevenlabs to sound more like a human. This process is perfect for anyone new to Elevenlabs or looking to refine their AI-generated voices for better quality and realism. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the website of Elevenlabs. This is where you'll find their free text-to-speech and AI voice generator tools. Make sure you have a stable internet connection since we'll be working entirely online. Once there, you'll need to sign in. Simply click on the Sign In button. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Remember to keep your login details secure. After you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Elevenlabs homepage. This is your starting point for all the various voice synthesis tools they offer. From here, we will navigate over to the Playground section. This area is designed as a space where you can experiment with voice settings, letting you adjust and refine until you find that perfect sound. Within the playground, locate and click on Text-to-Speech. This is the tool we'll use to convert written words into spoken dialogue through the Adam voice. In the Text-to-Speech section, you'll see a variety of options to choose a voice. You'll need to click Select a Voice to explore different AI voices available. Next, we will specifically choose Adam from the list. Adam is a pre-designed voice setup meant for those seeking a natural and relatable tone. It's a great starting point for creating believable AI speech. Once you've selected Adam, take some time to explore voice settings. Here, you have the power to make Adam sound just right. You can adjust parameters such as pitch, speed, and volume. These controls allow for a more personalized voice, giving you the ability to align it with your specific needs. It's important to remember that small tweaks can make a big difference, so feel free to experiment. Listen to the voice output and make iterative changes to refine it. Having headphones on during this process can help you catch nuances that might be missed otherwise, ensuring you achieve a high-quality result. By the end of this process, you should have a human-like voice that fits perfectly with your project requirements. With practice, you can not only make Adam sound more natural, but also understand more deeply how different settings affect vocal characteristics. And there you have it, a simple guide to setting up the Adam voice in Elevenlabs to sound more like a human. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps bring your projects to life with convincing AI voices. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to check out more of our videos to enhance your skills with AI voice synthesis.